Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the microphone and granting permissions so the system can hear you. Once done, open the exact app or text field where you want typed text to appear. This avoids lost audio. Make sure input levels read around -6 to -12 dB to prevent clipping, and choose the correct mic in OS settings. Press the voice typing button or hotkey to start. You should hear a brief beep confirming the service is live. Now focus on accuracy by selecting your language and regional accent. This reduces common errors. You should train the recognizer if the option exists, because adaptation learns your voice and vocabulary over time. While dictating, speak punctuation and formatting commands clearly. For example, say comma or new paragraph, and pause briefly between complex phrases. Also enable noise suppression or use a directional mic. This reduces background interference and improves word recognition rates. Finish by proofreading and editing the dictated text. Voice typing gets most words but drops small errors, so you should correct them manually. Once satisfied, save or export the file and enable autosave to prevent data loss. Make use of keyboard shortcuts to speed up fixes and learn a few voice commands for common edits. If results are poor, check the microphone selection and permissions first, make sure your internet connection is stable, and reduce background noise. This is the single most effective troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.